you better go sit.
Is that a video? Mm-hmm. Oh, God. I'm sorry. People don't need to see that, but I'm sure it's going on Facebook, right?
You gonna leave Grandma alone?
No. I need a meatball.
No, you gotta sit. This is very hot.
Okay, got on. When you're done with that, then I'll get a
No,
meatball.
go sit.
Alright, I'm gonna go get a meatball.
Mark!
Mark, she said no! Mark! Mom.
He burned his mouth. Fuck.
He took one. Mom. Mark.
It's hot, right? You burnt your mouth, right? Serves you right.